Master Active Directory GPO. Secure Windows in 5 minutes. Active Directory GPO explained. Secure user management in 1 minute. Your Windows security is weak. Here's the 60s GPO fix. GPO Essentials. Master Secure User Management in 60 seconds. How to secure Windows users fast. The 60s Active Directory Guide. Active Directory GPO. The ultimate 60-second security masterclass. Alright, your Windows domain is only as strong as your group policy. If your users can install anything, run macros, or guessy passwords are still a thing, you're one click away from trouble. Let's fix that. Here's the plan. Problem. Fix. Proof. Problem. Most AD environments grow messy. Random local admins. Old SMBv1 on. Macros running wild. No audit trail. Policies slapped on the domain root without testing. That's how breaches happen. Fix in 60 seconds. Ready? Create a baseline security GPO and link it to a test workstation's OU, not the whole domain. Disable SMBv1. Block unsigned macros. Enable Windows Firewall for all profiles and enforce Smart Screen. Set password policy. Length 14 plus. Complexity on. Lockout threshold 10. Duration 15 minutes. Remove local admin rights. Use restricted groups or local users and groups preferences, so only your IT group is local admin. Turn on BitLocker with TPM plus PIN on laptops and escrow recovery keys to AD. Deploy LayPS to rotate local admin passwords automatically. Configure attack surface reduction. Block Office from creating child processes and block credential stealing. Block executable content from email and webmail. Enable audit. Log logon events, account changes and policy changes. Turn on PowerShell transcription. Force secure defaults. Disable guest and hide the last logon name. Require NLA for RDP and set screen lock to 10 minutes. Run GP update force on a test machine. That's the fast fix. Now, let me show you how to make it stick. Step 1. Structure first. Create OUs, workstations, laptops, servers, and admin workstations. Link policies to OUs, not the domain. Use security filtering and WMI filters. Apply workstations, GPO, only when product type, Bucker 1. Test in a staging OU with a few pilot machines. Step 2. Build a clean baseline. Import the Microsoft Security Compliance Toolkit baselines for your Windows version. Merge with your baseline security, GPO. Then trim what breaks apps. Remember, deny by default, allow by exception. Step 3. Lock down users. Block control panel where needed and remove run. Hide drive letters and prevent command prompt for non-admins. Redirect documents and downloads to OneDrive or a file server. Use loopback processing, merge on kiosks and RDS so the computer dictates user policy. Step 4. Software and updates. Set WSUS or Windows Update for business rings and enforce automatic update deadlines. Use AppLocker or WDAC. Allow signed Microsoft and your vendors. Block unknown. Too heavy today? Start by blocking XEMSI from user-writable paths. Step 5. Prove it works. Run jeepresult.jar or rsop.msc. Then check Event Viewer, Microsoft, Windows, Group Policy, Operational for processing errors. Use PowerShell Get Win event to confirm ASR and AppLocker hits. Try a macro file. Blocked. Good. Try adding a local admin. Denied. Even better. Step 6. Roll out safely. Stage to 5% and monitor help desk, then 25%, then all. Document exceptions. Create a break glass GPO with tight scope and expiration. Bonus quick wins. Disable legacy protocols, NTLM, where possible, definitely SMBv1. Enforce RDP MFA via your IDP or RD gateway, and set PowerShell constrained language mode for non-admins. Remember, GPOs are guardrails. Start small, measure, then harden. If you only do one thing today, put that baseline security GPO in a test OU and push it to a pilot group. Your future self will thank you. Checklist and exact policy paths are linked in the description. Lock it down, keep it fast, and stay secure.